Welcome to the Writing Corner. My name is LD Valencia. I am talking about The Gifted World. We are continuing a series in which we're talking about each book in the series, and I'm giving you a quick overview. So today is The Dark Dawn, book 7 in the series. This one was a blast to write. In this one, they are essentially now superhero secret agents, and they are going on their first real mission as no longer kind of like, not in that probationary period anymore, and things go crazy for them. This one involves kind of a shadow assassin and this deadly thing that they're trying to stop from happening. And all the while, there's lots of twists and turns, and they think this is happening, but other stuff is going down, and there's a lot of twists and turns. So like I said, I really am starting to amp up like the secret agent stuff in this series starting here. And so you start to see like a lot of twist and turn in politics and scheming and a ton of double agent type stuff. But also you're also getting to see like what's going on behind the scene, a lot of the corruption. So if you're a fan of like The Boys, there's a lot of that corruption in the superhero world. So this one really starts to like show that and reveal that in this series. This one was a ton of fun to write, and I loved getting to kind of like use that twist and turn in this one a lot more than I'm used to. A lot of books, series hinge on like the twists and the turns and like, the reveals and things like that. And I don't really do that a ton in my series. I really like the series to kind of progress naturally. But this one I did use kind of some really fun twists and turns, and like I said, the spy elements, I really wanted that to kind of like be evident in this one. So this one was a ton of fun to write. If you're interested in checking out a superhero secret agent series, definitely check out The Gifted World. I hope you will check it out. I'll leave a link down below in the description. But yeah, check it out. I also sell them on my TikTok shop. You can get signed copies with little book bundles. So definitely check it out on there if you want a signed copy. So thanks so much for joining us in the Writing Corner. This is LD Valencia signing off.